What's up everybody? My name is Luke.
My name is Danica.
And welcome to our first property tour.
Today we are in Gonubie, East London, and we're about to tour this phenomenal contemporary home. Located on Ocean Way, this house has the best amenities and some of the best views.
Now, stats on this house. We've got 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 964 square meters of interior space, built on a 1,000 square meter lot. This includes a formal lounge, entertainment lounge, and much, much more. Let's get going.
Coming in, you've got this beautiful solid wood pivot door that takes you into the front entryway that has a spectacular stone staircase that takes you to the second floor. But first we're going to check out the formal lounge. All the doors duck away, so you have brilliant open living spaces with tons of natural light coming through. The stone column features are a favourite in this home, and the stone elements are a feature that flows throughout. And to top it all off, right in the centre, you've got this beautiful gas linear fireplace. Gorgeous black granite countertops grace this gourmet U-shaped kitchen that include everything from the double oven to gas hob, as well as a separate laundry and scullery area.
As you come up the stairwell, you'll see this beautiful rock wall art piece which is features throughout the house with this lovely Turkish styled chandelier. And if we go along this way, we'll walk into the private home gym with these beautiful laminate floors that go straight into the art and hobby room. As we go out onto the sun deck over here, you'll see lovely sea views as well as a beautiful place to relax and entertain your guests, weather permitting. On the right wing of the property, we have this beautiful master bedroom, encased by these dark redwood cupboards, finished off by these amazing bright white ceramic tiles. If you come along this way, you'll see a lovely coffee and tea bar over here, which leads you directly into this super spacious modern bathroom.
The perfect space for entertaining with a built-in fireplace and stack-away doors that lead you outside to the stunning swimming pool area.
If you like this video, please be sure to give us a like and a share. We would really appreciate it. And stay tuned, we'll be doing more phenomenal homes like this in the future.